reggae song that explores a spiritual journey. Include metaphors about the mountain of Zion, the power of ancestral drums, and the resilience of the soul. Use a repetitive repetition structure that emphasizes things of unity, light, and the connection between the earth and the spirit.
Mountain of Zion, carry me high. Mountain of Zion, touch the sky. One people standing, one heart in light. Earth and spirit moving as one tonight. Mountain of Zion, one heart in light. The ancestral drums in the valley roll like thunder, teaching the restless soul. They said keep walking when the path gets steep. Love is the seed that the strong must keep. Upon the road I was not alone. Voices around me, flesh and bone. From the deep of time to the breath I own. We rise together, we come back home. Mountain Mountain of Zion, carry me high. Mountain of Zion, touch the sky. One people standing, one heart and light. Earth and spirit moving as one tonight. Mountain of Zion, one heart and light. If the night goes long, I still will stand with the fire of hope in my open hand. From the root to the star, from the sea to the sky, the soul is a river that cannot die. Mountain of Zion, carry me high. Mountain of Zion, touch the sky. One people standing, one heart and light. Earth and spirit moving as one tonight. Mountain of Zion, one heart and light. We are the air, we are the light, we are the drum, we are the flight. I woke with the red earth on my feet, hear the old drum calling through the heat. Every step was a prayer I learned, every scar was a lesson returned. Up on the road I was not alone, voices around me, flesh and bone. From the deep of time to the breath I own, we rise together, we come back home. Mountain of Zion, carry me high. Mountain of Zion, touch the sky. One people standing, one heart in light. Earth and spirit moving as one tonight. Mountain of Zion, one heart in light. The ancestral drums in the valley roll like thunder, teaching the restless soul. They said keep walking when the path gets steep. Love is the seed that the strong must keep. Up on the road I was not alone, voices around me, flesh and bone. From the deep of time to the breath I own, we rise together, we come back home. Mountain of Zion, carry me high. Mountain of Zion, touch the sky. One people standing, one heart in light. Earth and spirit moving as one fire of hope in my open hand. From the root to the star, from the sea to the sky, the soul is a river that cannot die. Mountain of Zion, carry me high. Mountain of Zion, touch the sky. One people standing, one heart in light. Earth and spirit moving as one tonight. Mountain of Zion, one heart in light. Oh, oh, we are the earth, we are the light, we are the drum, we are the fly.
Roy lyrics reggae song that explores a spiritual journey. Include metaphors about the mountain of Zion, the power of ancestral drums, and the resilience of the soul. Use a repetitive narratives, extrusions that emphasize a spirit of unity, light and the connection between the earth and the spirit.
metaphors about the mountain of Zion, the power of ancestral drums, and the resilience of the soul. Use a editing, magnetic structure that emphasizes themes of unity, light, and the connection, including the earth and the spirit.
that explode spiritual journey. Include metaphors about the mountain of Zion, the power of ancestral drums. And the resilience of the soul. Use a repetitive and the lyric structure that emphasizes freedom. You don't realize there's a connection between the earth and the spirit. It explores a spiritual journey, includes metaphors about the mountain of Zion, the power of ancestral drums, and the resilience of the soul. Use our primitive manicured structure that emphasizes themes of unity, life, and the connection between the earth and the spirit.